You can access your visual timetable and your daily slides from the dashboard. However, to supercharge your planning, you can also access both of these things from the calendar section of the Hive. From here, you can easily navigate to any date, and you can very easily see with the dots which days have slide decks ready to go and which days have the visual timetable ready to go. Up the top, you can access your default slides as well as your teaching cycle. Your teaching cycle will then repeat each week if you are on a weekly cycle, or if you operate on a fortnightly cycle, you can add an extra week and your cycle will then rotate through on a fortnightly basis. You only have to set your teaching cycle once, and then this will repeat for you each and every week. However, you can always then make adjustments as and when things change. There is a separate video all about how to set up your visual timetable, so check that out for more information. Your default slides will appear on your dashboard each and every day. So this is where you want to have those activities and those slides that you will be accessing every day with your students. You can always adjust your default slides and change things around, and this will save across each day for you. To find out more about how to set up your slide decks, we recommend watching the slide decks video, which will walk you through all of the different steps. Let's look at how we might set up a new day in our calendar. First of all, I'm going to use the timetable from my cycle, and I can then adjust that timetable if things have changed on that Monday. Coming into my slide decks, I can see my default slides there, but I'm going to add a new slide deck for my writing lesson. So I add that in here, and then I will be taken into the slide editor and I can add my slides as normal.